अरे तुम्हें पूरा मजा लेना है मूवी वाला, शॉर्ट में क्यों सुनाया? मजा नहीं आया, पूरी स्टोरी होनी चाहिए. Trobriandus, they believe, they have a myth of origin that earlier Trobriandus used to live under the earth in the subterranean world. They used to live in the subterranean world. और वहां पे वो फार्मिंग करते थे. They used to farm yam, they used to do all their activities, they used to practice magic, सब कुछ करते थे. Right? Then what happened? These people, they came out from some holes. ठीक है, इन होल्स को खुरच खुरच के बाहर निकला सबसे पहले इग्वाना. इग्वाना क्लान के ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर. ओके, दिस इज अ क्लैन, दैट मींस अ पेयर ऑफ ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर. एक ब्रदर एक सिस्टर बाहर निकल के आए यहां से. देन अनदर hole, then another hole, and then another hole. So from these four holes, four pairs of brothers and sisters emerged. One was iguana, one was dog, one was pig, one was crocodile. Some also believe that crab or something. ठीक है, जो भी. So these are the four pairs of brothers and sisters. They came out. ये पिग, क्रोकोडाइल, डॉग, ये उनका टोटम है, क्लैन का टोटम, क्लैन का आइडेंटिटी है. That means they later on became. Now from the whole these groups came, the neighboring territory became theirs. ये इनकी टेरिटरी हो गया. दिस ग्रुप जहां पे ये होल है, ये इनका हो गया, ये इनका हो गया. Right? And they started using this territory for their use. So from this myth of origin, they have their territorial claims. Right? In their myth, they emerge as brother and sister, and sister has higher status here. Sister nurtured even the brother. So sister was the producing member. So sister inherited this land. So they were matrilineal groups. That means the inheritance would be in the female line, that is also sanctified by their origin myth. Their origin myth sanctify, okay, that succession would be in the female line, matrilineal, not patrilineal. So their myth is helping them to claim the territory where they live, that this is my original territory. Their matrilineal origin, matrilineal descent is also sanctified by this origin myth. And they also, you can say, do maintain the hierarchy among themselves. These are the four clans and all are exogamous. That means this sister may be married into other, this sister may be married into another, and this how they marry among themselves. They're exogamous. They marry outside their clan. So how they marry, that is also the rules of marriage. So when you look at one myth, don't you think that myths have many functions in the society? Myth is not just a wasteful entertainment story. It has solid functions for the society. It fulfills some functions for the people for whom this story belongs. समझ में आया? ये लोगों का स्टोरी है, लोगों को हेल्प करता है. तो दिस इज द ट्रूथफुल अकाउंट ऑफ their reality. They believe it is real. And on the basis of this reality, they classify themselves into clans. They basically manage their territorial claims, they manage their descent in matriline, and they also follow these rules of marriage. They have another myth of pregnancy. They believe in the ancestral spirit of Baloma. Right? What they believe, when a person die, right, at the time of death, the दो तरह की स्पिरिट होती है. एक तो वहीं पे घूम रही होती है कुछ दिन तक, तो राइट, वो दिख दिख के फिर वो बाद में चली जाती है, और एक दूसरी वाली होती है जो कि डेथ के बाद उनकी स्पिरिट एक अलग आइलैंड पे चली जाती है, राइट? एक अलग आइलैंड है, माइथिकल आइलैंड, मतलब उनका स्वर्ग, उनका स्वर्ग काइंड ऑफ, वहां चली जाती है स्पिरिट। वो स्पिरिट यहां से वहां जाके वहां पे वो रहना शुरू कर देती है, एंड दैट स्पिरिट ग्रोज ओल्ड देयर। वो स्पिरिट क्या होगी, वहां जाके बूढ़ी हो जाएगी, मतलब वो अपनी लाइफ जिएगी। दिस स्पिरिट वुड डू, इस आइलैंड को ये बोलते हैं ट्यूमा, आइलैंड ऑफ ट्यूमा। सो ये स्पिरिट डेथ के बाद कहां चली जाएगी, ट्यूमा आइलैंड पे चली जाएगी, ट्यूमा पे वो नॉर्मली रहना शुरू कर देगी। नाउ जब ये बूढ़ी होगी तो ये ओशियन में जाएगी, और जब ये ओशियन में नहाएगी तो द ओल्डर स्किन, द आउटर शेल्फ लाइक स्नेक, द आउटर स्किन वुड बी शेड, उसमें गिर जाएगी, राइट? एंड देन द स्मॉल rejuvenated Baloma would go into the water, it would float towards the island of Trobriands. And in that island, when a woman is under the water, suppose ये woman पानी में खड़ी है, तो it will enter, this Baloma would enter into woman's womb, and that's how she become pregnant. तो in pregnancy men का कोई रोल नहीं है यहाँ पे। Are you getting my point? In pregnancy is caused by Baloma. So they don't believe in biological, you can say, cause of pregnancy. उनका बिलीफ सोशल है। सोल कैसे स्किन शेड कर सकती है?
ये सवाल सिर्फ मैं नहीं, आप नहीं, पूछता है सारा भारत।
मतलब कम ऑन, कुछ भी बोल रहे हो, मतलब कुछ भी। स्किन शेड हो रही है किसकी? सोल की। तो लिवाई स्ट्रॉस बोलता है, अब लिवाई स्ट्रॉस बोल रहा है, मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूं, राइट? लिवाई स्ट्रॉस क्या कहता है? इन अ मिथ एनीथिंग कैन हैपन, एंड इट सीम्स समटाइम्स, मतलब things are contradictory. There is no logic in any myth. But if I analyze all the myths of the humanity, then I find that all the myths have some common elements. All the myths have some contradictions of good and evil that reflect the fundamental thinking of human mind, that humans fundamentally think in binaries.